Hey watchers, welcome to Veterinary Vicinity. Today we are going to talk about our unexplored canine heritage of India. So let me question you all. Name 5 breeds of dog. By now, I think most of you must have recalled the names, and I can bet most of you have hit on breeds like Pomeranian, Labrador, Dalmatian, Great Dane, German Shepherd, Golden Retriever, or Beagle. Have you heard about Rajapalayam, Rampur Hound, Mudhol Hound, or Kombai? Don't worry, you are not the only one to have heard this first time, or maybe least. Even most of the passionate animal lover will get stuck at this. So today, we will introduce you with our Desi Stats. Prime Minister Modi encourages people to adopt Indian breed dog. In his Mann Ki Baat radio program, addresses to the country, the Prime Minister said, I have been told that Indian breed dogs are very good and competent. Among the Indian breeds, Mudhol Hound and Himachali Hound are high pedigree dogs. Rajapalayam, Kanni, Chippiparai and Kombai are also very good Indian breeds. They are cost effective and very well versed with Indian climate. Adding that the Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICAR is conducting research on native Indian dog breeds. PM Modi urged the people to bring home Indian breeds of dogs. When self-reliant Indian is becoming the mantra of the masses, then no area should be left behind, he said. The Chippiparai Hound. This streamlined sight hound finds its roots in Tamil Nadu. Bred by the royal families of Chippiparai near Madurai district, the hound continues to remain a symbol of royalty and dignity in the Tirunelveli and Madurai region. The Chippiparai were bred predominantly for the purpose of hunting. Interestingly enough, it's the position of their eyes that gives them a predatory advantage. With a 270-degree scope vision, which is far more than most breeds, these dogs are gifted with extremely keen eyesight. This breed is a smart, fierce, and swift breed of silent hound dogs, proving to be the perfect guard dogs for homes and states. This exquisite hunting dog is now close to extinction, and unless responsible and ethical breeders work hard to preserve them, they will soon be another thing of beauty put down to history books. Chippiparai is similar to Kanni breed, only minor difference in height. It is a fast runner and hits up to 65 km/h speed. The Rampur Hound. Native to the Rampur district in northern India, the Rampur Hound is a breed that truly has royalty in its blood. These dogs were bred by the Nawab of Rampur, Ahmad Ali Khan, by combining the bloodlines of the Afghan Hound and the English Greyhound. The Rampur Hound is known for its endurance as it was built to cover large distances at great speeds. Dating as early as the 20th century, the Rampur Hound is a fearless hunter and is believed to be powerful enough to take on lions, tigers, jackals, and boars. The most unique aspect of a Rampur Hound is its ability to see. This sight hound has amazing sight. All this is because of the position of their eyes. These hounds have a long elongated skull with tapering muzzle. This helps to have a 270-degree field of vision. Perfect as a hunting dog, they are also known for their loyalty towards their owners. Rampur hounds hits a speed of 64 km per hour, and it is the largest and heaviest among Indian sight hound breeds. Kombai. These hounds were named after the city they were bred in, Kombai, Tamil Nadu. The Kombai is a sight hound par excellence. This specific breed was used by the armies of the Marudhu brothers who headed the revolt against the British colonialist subjugation of the Kalyar Koil of the Sivakasi kingdom at the beginning of the 19th century. The Kombai is a medium-sized dog with a heavy structure. It has a tan coat with usually a black muzzle. This hardy breed is a noted hunter of deer, wild boar and bison, as it is well equipped with an athletic muscular body, powerful jaws and strong legs. Kombai bites down with extreme force and is capable of breaking bones. Now they are used in CRPF as military dogs. Rajapalayam draws its name from the small town of Rajapalayam in Tamil Nadu. The Rajapalayam was bred to be a vivacious hunter. They were developed to hunt for wild boar and other small prey. They make excellent guard dogs for the family. This breed has a characteristic pink nose, skin, milky white coat. It's almost on the verge of extinction now. There are just a few pockets at present in Tamil Nadu that have the presence of this breed. In the recent times, there have been a lot of efforts that are being made to encourage the breeding and popularize them in the country. In one such effort, the Animal Husbandry Department of the Tamil Nadu government has sponsored the dog shows and has even set up breeding centers in the state in order to prevent the total extinction of this breed. In fact, this breed even adorned the postage stamps to create awareness for the dog breed. The Rajapalayam has been bred in the Nayak dynasty of Tamil Nadu. These dogs were used in the Carnatic and Polygar wars. These dogs have been used since time immemorial to guard rice fields, houses, and farms, and have a legendary stories around them as well. One of the folklore say that 4 Rajapalayams together saved the life of their master by killing a tiger. Their fierce loyalty and guarding potential has seen them being deputed as guard dogs in the borders of Kashmir by the Indian Army. Kumaon Mastiff. Kumaon Mastiff, also called as Bully, Himalayan Mastiff and Cypro Kukur, originates from the hilly region of the Nainital district. They have extremely sharp senses, and if they sense anything even slightly unusual, they tend to become alert. The Kumaon Mastiff is a medium to large sized dog that is fairly muscular built in the front and lean towards the end. They have a powerful head and well-boned neck for support. They are rare dog breeds in the world. The most relevant information regarding this breed is that was brought over to India from Cyprus, where the Indian tribesmen bred them. In 300 BC, Alexander the Great brought over this breed from Cyprus to India during one of his expeditions. The Nainital district used this breed extensively for their wars against the Mughals. Kumaon Mastiff was introduced in Finland and Italy during the late 19th century, and to date they have Kumaon Mastiff as pets in large number, whereas in India they are now an endangered dog species. They have a warrior-like spirit which is not easy to tame. After the fierce battle of Panipat, the Mughals were on a high to capture the surrounding places too. When they wanted to set up a fort in Nainital district, they specially asked for the Kumaon Mastiff dogs for their protection instead of their own generals. Jonanji. The Jonanji breed of dogs is native to the Koleru region in Andhra Pradesh, where it was once found in abundance near the Koleru lake. They were believed to have been used as watchdogs and for herding ducks. The Jonanji is a primitive breed that is wary of strangers and also has a usual yodeling sound that it makes instead of barking. Jonanjis are known for digging and staying inside it. The Jonanji are agile, quite easily trainable, and extremely intelligent. A unique quality of these dogs is their short and shiny coats. They are fierce in combat. The Jonanji developed a unique fish hunting ability when a large population of the dogs were left to survive by themselves after the farmers in the region left. The breed almost neared extinction when local farmers and aquaculturists began killing the dogs for intervening in fishing activities. But recently, many breeders and farmers have increased their number for the purpose of protecting their livestock from predators.